So this is the first look at my bucket Vantage Select. And here's the knife. Great knife. I love it. Was a gift. It's comfortable feel, feels solid, a very solid pocket clip which you can move for left or right. Liner lock, has an assist for the blade. I haven't had it come open in my pocket when I'm carrying it, and it's a deep carry, which is nice. I mean, I've seen deeper carries, but this is fine. I like this. And I like it not just because it was a gift, but because it's a good knife. It came sharp, it stays sharp. It's been a little bit since I've sharpened it. Let's see if I can do this. Of course, I'm trying to show. But I need to sharpen it. I'm still learning how to sharpen, so that's part of the thing. I would definitely buy more of these for different bags, and maybe even as gifts. This one, I'm not sure what it sells for in the States, but in Canadian Tire it's about $35. But it's worth it. They sell other knives, some are cheaper, some are more expensive. I have only bought the little Gerber Still 2.0, STL 2.0. That's another review. I like it. I'll buy more. I recommend it. This is, you know, I've only been carrying it since May this year, so on 2014-05-18 I'll be doing a review, which should end up online sometime after that, not too long after, I hope. But I was given this 2013-05-18, and it was a very good gift. I got other stuff as well. Some of the stuff I'll probably be reviewing, or at least showing in other videos. I recommend it. It's a good knife so far, and again in a year I'll do another review on it and see if my opinion has changed any. So far I doubt it will have, but anything's possible. The only thing I have found that you want to watch for, seems to be only when it's new, is when you're opening it softly like that. I'm trying to remember how I did it. Yeah, see, it doesn't do it anymore because it's not new now, so it clips into place properly. When I first got it, for a little while, maybe the first couple of weeks, it if you opened it softly, it didn't always clip, and I haven't had it happen since. Does have an assisted blade, so you can just snap, and you want to make sure you hear the click. But I mean, that's the same with any of these knives, whether it be a liner lock or the old style lock. I've had both of them fail, and if you worried about the knife ever failing, then stick with a fixed blade. So I like this knife very much. It's comfortable to carry. It's is nice and deep in the pocket. You see the flap, or that you see the the clip, but what is it? A pen, a flashlight, a knife, something else, a tool of some sort. Unless they see the knife, they don't know. Good knife, definitely recommend it. Hopefully by the time I do the next video for this, I'll have learned how to properly sharpen the knives, and we'll have the equipment to properly sharpen them and maintain them, as opposed to the buckshees what I've got now. So this one will be really sharp as opposed to being sharp. Thanks, see ya, bye.